Making money online just by reading emails, that would be very amazing. Earn money again and again with this method. So how much money can you really earn? Alright, so if you read 10 emails, you can earn up to $50. Make that 20 emails and then you can earn up to $150. Read 30 and you'll earn up to $250. And finally, if you read 40 emails, you will earn up to $400. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, which means you do not need to invest any money at all to get started. And this method is also available worldwide, so you don't have to worry if you're not from the United States, because you can do this wherever you are in the world. So I want you to finish this video by the end, because somewhere in this video I will be sharing a strategy where you can earn double and you can be one step ahead of your competitors. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get back into the video. Alright, so the first step I want you to do is go over to Vindale.com. This is a platform where you can earn money online just by answering surveys and getting paid to take surveys online. But I will stop you right there because we won't be doing any surveys. In this video, what you're going to do is just read emails online. Now let me show you something. And as you can see right here, it says that Vindale has paid over $7 million to their members all over the world. And this website pays you in cash, not by point system, not gift cards, but hard cash. I want you to take a look at this to earn cash for every email you open. Earn just for reading paid email, up to turning word mail in your email preferences to open and view paid promotional messages. This is where you can earn money by simply reading emails online. Before we proceed, I want to tell you that the sign-up process for this website is a bit complicated because this website only accepts users from the United States, Canada, the UK, and Australia. And you don't have to worry if you're not from those countries. For example, you're from India, the Philippines, Nigeria, and other countries. I'll be showing you a method on how you can sign up for free even though you come from a different country than the ones required. So I want you to stay tuned and keep watching the video so that you can learn everything from me in this video. The reason why I want you to watch this video until the end is because when we come over to this website, I don't want you to sign up immediately because we still have to go to another website before proceeding to the sign up process. So again, I'll be telling you what to do step by step, so just sit back, relax while watching this video. Once you're logged into your account, you will see 9 different categories, which are cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, home improvement, popular restaurants and new technology, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, and finally travel and leisure. Now let me give you the first step. If you read emails about shopping and fashion and health and beauty, these 2 categories will make you the most amount of money. So all you have to do is read emails from both of these categories right here. Whenever you pick these 2 categories, you will then see this. You can earn $10, you can earn $1, and you can even earn $3.5. But as you can see here, there are a lot of different options you can choose from. Alright, so I'm just showing you the option right here. Now going back to the website, earn cash for every email you open, I want you to click on this link right here which says sign up and get paid to read emails. Click on that link and you will be redirected to this page right here. So you can sign up for a free account right here, but I want you to pay attention and please listen to me. You're one step closer to getting paid for your opinion. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. If you do this correctly, you can even earn up to $25. But here's the catch. You have to sign up properly. So I want you to type in your email address, your first name, your last name, but before we proceed, I want you to take precautions, okay? Because this is where the secret strategy, which I will be teaching you, will come in. The options here are the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Before we proceed with this step, I want you to go over to google.com and search for a render list. If you click on search, you'll be able to find the website which loads here on Google results random list, the random generator for everything. Click on this link. We're here on this website and you'll be able to find an option which is addressed. You'll then see random generators. Random addresses generate a fake United States address complete with street, city, safe zip code, but be careful. Some of this could end up being real addresses. So this one right here is what we're going to use. Okay, so when you click on this, you will then see random addresses which you can use, but before you proceed, I want you to scroll down a little bit and then you'll be able to see this. There are edit settings, so click on this and you'll see a drop down panel. These are the options. California addresses, Canadian addresses, Florida, London, New York, Oklahoma, Texas, and so on and so forth. This part is very critical. I want you to select Canadian addresses, so after clicking that option, you will then see different addresses, which will load here, and these are all generated randomly. And as you can see, we can use all of these addresses to sign up. You can enter any of these addresses to your sign up process, and now let's proceed with the sign up process. What I want you to do next is select the country first, which is Canada. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come back to the random list generator, and we are going to copy one of these addresses right here, so you can just copy whatever you like and paste it on your sign up form. If you're quite confused about this process, you can always rewatch the video, or you can just rewind it so that you can fully understand the process. After that, you need to put your date of birth. Next, you have to create your own password and confirm it. Make sure to agree to the terms and privacy policy of this website. And that's it. After that, click on continue. On the next page, they will see this. Please complete the following concept form in order to continue membership. What you need to do is check to provide consent to all of these boxes. Here, make sure you tick all of these 4 boxes. If you have followed me throughout the whole video and you did all of these steps, then you'll be able to make $1 as of now, and this $1 is free upon signing up. On top of all of that, you just have unlocked up to $50 of high pay-in surveys. The people who didn't follow my procedure would just earn about $1 to $5. But now that you've followed me and now that you have completely signed up, then we're able to earn up to $50 per survey. So if you're done signing up, then you can do this right now. You have officially unlocked other surveys which could make up to $25. Again, the sign up process is a bit tricky, but if you do my secret tip, then you're going to earn a lot. Now, I want you to visit this page right here where we can see the people all over the world are making money using this method. And as you can see, there are a lot of people right here who are loving this method or this website because this website has really helped them, especially now during quarantine. This is a really big help to everyone who is looking for a side hustle aside from opening emails. You can also get paid by answering surveys, referring people, and by watching paid videos. This method is easy and you can do this even if you're still a beginner. That brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever we post new content on our channel. And don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.